again and again, everybody doesn't need any introduction. We are here at Soshanguve. They are celebrating their 30th anniversary. So today we're going to be with Reverend Monde Memeza to be interviewing him about a special event. Please join us. Thank you. And again, yeah, we are here. Now we're going to this way to get Reverend Monde Memeza. Sabona Mongamishi. Siyaphila. But now it is different. It is different from what it was for like the past 30 years. So ndifuna ke Mongameli, first thing first, usichazele nje ngale ndawo eseniyenzile lapha eSoshanguve. This portion nje kuphela. Yabona. You can just walk through it and then usichazele ngayo.
Oh, and Togozo and the viewers, this is a prayer garden of the Soshanguve second.
Yeah.
This is a sacred space, a place of silence, a place of reflection, and a place of renewal, whereby the people of God come closer or nearer to God to listen to the voice of God and to tell God whatever they want to share with God peacefully and quietly without any disturbance. You know, sometimes if you want to be with God, you need to go to a place that is unusual, a place whereby you withdraw from your usual and your daily work that you're doing. Sometimes we even use to the church. We do not come closer to God inside the church. But this place, for me, it is a place of quietness, a place of meditation.
Yeah.
So if you, and now we can feel now, once you enter this place, there's a different atmosphere.
Yeah, and then now, let's pick up man in this one.
Okay.
Ndifuna ukwazi more about this. Is it kanjani to think about having a prayer garden? Like sitting down and doing the whole event and like, no, we're going to have a prayer garden. It's kanjani.
I am a person of prayer. I strongly believe in Tandazo.
Yeah.
And I strongly believe in silent prayer. Yeah, so andingumntu othanda ukungcola kakhulu xa ndithetha noThixo. I believe uba ndibe ndodwa quietly ndithethe noThixo. So for me, i-prayer garden, it came ngento yoba this is a sanctuary.
Yeah.
Sanctuary is a place of prayer, a place of worship. So for me, it came to my spirit and my mind that, you know, man, as we are celebrating this 30 years, we need to do this prayer garden because our vision for the upcoming 10 years, it says a holy, united and missional church embodying Christ's love, you know, through disciples that makes transformative communities and restore communities. And so in order for us to achieve that, we need to be a community of prayer. Yeah. So hence this garden gate came about, because sifuna achieve that vision, a holy church. A holy church. So this is part of a holy church. If we want to be a holy church, we must have something like this.
Beautiful. This is so beautiful. Like in my entire life after Soshanguve, I've never seen something such. Like this is so beautiful. And what I like the most, I want us to go on that.
Tell me before we go there.
Yeah.
Let me tell you about, this is a natural garden. If you see here, we left it purposely in Doba, even natural, so that you can feel the nature.
Yeah.
Some people they connect more or much to God through nature. So so I didn't want this to be full of this artificial grass, but we wanted the nature as well. As you can see, there's water. When we are here quiet listening to God, you will hear the water running. We'll be having even a waterfall here. It's just that we didn't have time, but we already have. It's just that it's not yet connected. So it will be a place of prayer indeed.
So, this is a project And akakapheli kahle kahle.
Yeah,
There's still more.
Yeah, there's still more to come.
I can't wait to send the grass lady fake the original grass. The original grass. So now, Mongameli, as a minister up in the MCSA, we know there are some of the things as in loses on. Yeah, but for me, let me ask you this question. How does it feel to be the one Mongameli in this circuit, and then they are celebrating 30 years, and then now your name is it there? Nange Reverend M. Neneza together with Master. Take me through this.
Something mandatory. One, it is overwhelming to be the superintendent of such a circuit, called the Soshanguve 1131, because this is not just any circuit, it is a circuit.
Yeah.
Enezinto zayo, enabantu bayo, that really is a blessing to be umongameli of such a circuit full of history and full of wisdom. And it's rich way to gain history and wisdom in social circuit. So for me, it is a blessing to be umfundisi at this time.
Yeah.
We just arrived with my wife and family, Kulonyaga.
Yeah.
Safikela, where we are celebrating as a social movement the 30 years of existence. Yeah, it is a blessing because for me, I got to learn more about the circuit. I got to learn more about the history and the beginning of the social movement circuit. So for me, it will be easy now to plan ahead, to move forward, because I know where we are coming from. I said on my speech last night to Galadina, I said I spoke about a proverb, yeah, that says it is difficult to reach the destination or to know where you are going when you do not know where you are coming from. And now that is Sifika, Zama ukufuna the history and the past of the second. For us, it is a blessing indeed, because it's for the next 50 years. So I am happy, I am overwhelmed, but at the same time, I'm humbled. Yeah. This is humbling to figure so celebrating 30 years with. But what makes me happy is that we had Abefundisi who were part of this 30 years.
Yes.
Especially the likes of Reverend Molo, who was here from yesterday, the one who started this circuit as a minister. And so now I'm trying to figure and develop the 30 years. So it was a puzzle, Izolo Nanamhlanje. It's overwhelming.
And then now, let's talk about this one. Hi, who is Tawana? Let's talk about this one.
Yes.
The Bonilo, you were with him today. So now, conversating with him, did he say anything to congratulate you or to give you the history in the social movie? How did it go? Because of, as you can see, 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16 years together, the social movie. Did he explain much about the history?
In fact, not only him, from Mfundisi Molo, Reverend Molo and Reverend Khotso, and Umamutawana Mutata. All of those three, yes, they did congratulate us together with my leadership for this milestone and for this celebration. And they are so humbled. They were so happy even to get the invitation to be part of these 30 years. So yeah, they did give us a bit of a history of their staying here. Fortunately for me, they all spoke well about this circuit. All of them, their stay here was a blessing to them. None of them who told me about negative things or bad history about this circuit. with those 3 ministers. So the future is bright.
The future is bright. Now, this one, you arrived last year, December,
Yes.
and then when you arrived, it was an impact. Like at some point, this event, so young, he's now here. How is the circuit so far for you from December 2025 to November to December 2026? But the whole year, how was your year? How was the circuit to you?
Hectic. Hectic. I must be honest.
Yeah.
The circuit is big, and to serve here alone, it is exhausting.
Yeah.
But I'm fulfilled spiritually.
Yes.
Because the second, Utiko, whatever sent me here to do, people of Soshanguve are more than welcoming. They are so responsive to the mission of God. Sometimes when you arrive, Abantu, transformation and change becomes a problem. But for people of Soshanguve, it is not the same. It is not the same. So yeah, kuhle kona, but umsebenzi mninzi kakhulu. But I am glad in next year, December, we will be welcoming the second minister in the social
This is the second. So that means you're not leaving.
I don't know about the leaving whatsoever. I'm here for 3 years, sir.
Yeah, I know.
So next year it's the second year.
Second
so the living part is not in my mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It must never be in your mind. So now, to wrap it up, now, you take a dinner, you have unveiled the tombstone.
Yes.
We're moving to tomorrow. And if you rest, I can see you're tired.
Yeah.
So now, if you know to the people of Soshanguve, tell them your heart about them. Just express your heart.
Greetings to people of the Soshanguve Circuit, 1131 ngumfundisi wenu lo. I don't know ntokozo uthi mandithini kodwa ke your support 2025 has been a hectic and a busy year for all of us. Unyaka uyaphela ngoku, so I thank God for carrying us through from January, from December, since my arrival until now. So masuphetheni kahle unyaka u2026 usilindile noThixo usilindile. Thank you very much.
Toko, Mongameli. Congrats. Have a wonderful. It's a big event.
Yes.
Yeah, have a wonderful.
Siyavala kusasa.
Siyavala
ngumfundisi uNyobole kusasa. Please do come and join us. The what you call the legend of the church, the giant of the pulpit, umfundisi uNyobole, will be sharing a word with us. So come one, come all. The service starts at 8 o'clock. 10 o'clock we will be done so that we can go and join the induction of our lay leader, Auslisejo. Thank you very much.
This is as Soshanguve Circuit. The biggest circuit in the connection. See, really like 30 years yet. First I'm gonna manage going 30 years. Sibule like and again, but doesn't need any introduction. It was amazing having you. How cool. You can now go and rest. Thank you.
I need it.
Yeah.
Thank you.